Hi guys, today is our last day here in our home and it's cleanup time. Brought all our things outside so we could do the carpet cleaning. I'm just gonna have some breakfast first and then I'm gonna start doing the carpet cleaning. We actually hired the carpet cleaning machines from Bunnings and I got the instructions here on how to do it, and the machine is just here. Yeah, so this is a carpet cleanup. I'm gonna prepare it later and for these 2 rooms first and the entire house. So this is actually like a Alright, today I got my friend Samir. Oh, you're doing it from Masri? Yeah, Masri, yeah. We do YouTube, so say hi. This is good man. He's helping refugees, you know, start with new things and
I give you my number if you want.
Yeah.
At any time if you need help.
Yeah.
04.
No, I'll have put on our message.
Oh really?
Okay.
Yeah. This is for whom?
This is my YouTube channel. I do YouTube with my family, like every day.
Oh really?
Yeah. So yeah, this is good man. Samir, that one, let's have a look. Here. Yeah. See that brown chair?
Yeah.
There's a big pile of things. If you want to walk here. Yeah. My wife and kids here.
Any relatives?
Nah. Oh yeah, our cousins, but they're doing uni. Yeah. This one now? Why?
I don't know, man.
They gave it off.
Huh?
I think they're just giving you.
What are you gonna come to have a look? What they have?
I'll have a look.
They have.
You can park the car here. Oh, you know, just yeah.
What we have
Give away. Okay, yeah. If after we move out, there's some things that we could give, I'll give to you. Okay, blankets. Yeah, no worries. But I still have a few things, maybe.
Thank you for your help, man. Really.
No worries, brother.
Exercise.
Yeah, no worries. Okay, no worries. It's okay. I'll get your number. Okay.
I went all the way down to the West Mead to pick up this, the cola.
Ah.
You
So
know the cola?
yeah, how do you like? How do you know which ones are refugees or not? Like, where do you contact them?
No.
How do you
I work for the Mission Australia as a
okay, Mission Australia. Good. Yeah.
To look after refugees.
Yeah.
So I help them when they start.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Australia I teach them English as an English home tutor.
Yeah, I'll contact you, okay? Or maybe I could help some friends to help as well.
Okay, so I teach them English as a second language.
Yeah.
Also, I see what they need. If they need financial help, we assist them. Not from me. We assist.
Yeah, donors.
I
Yeah.
instructed them to go to the Salvation Army or to go to the
Venice.
Samir,
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah. Okay.
I also, if they need furniture, we help them for furniture. If they need clothes, look, I've got clothes. If you have anyone,
Oh my
I've got
gosh.
clothes here. If you have
Guys,
anyone,
we got a lot.
I've got clothes, used
we gave
clothes, but very good.
we gave to Salvos.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, we gave to Salvation Army like 5 packs.
I get things from people. Sometimes I pay a little bit.
Yeah.
Sometimes I get it for free.
Yeah, that's a good. You're a good man.
I give everything for free. I'm not charging
Okay.
any money. So I pay a little bit,
Yeah.
but I give them for free.
All right.
So if you know any new arrival or refugee or anyone need help, as a good Christian,
I'll contact.
we'd
Yeah.
love to help
We'll
them
help them.
for free, voluntarily. Start from English home tutor up to if they need furniture, if they need anything.
Okay.
Thank you. God bless.
God bless,
You
yeah.
know,
Thanks a lot.
God is love, and we
share,
have
we
to
share.
help each other.
All right. Thanks,
Have a
Samir.
lovely weekend, brother.
You too, brother. God bless.
Thank you for your help.
No worries.
God bless.
God bless.
You've got my number?
Yes, I got it. Yes. Thank you.
Text me your number. If you know any Filipino new arrival,
We help
I
them.
will help them.
Okay. Thanks, mate. That's it, guys. Alright, so we're doing the carpet cleaning. So all of our stuffs are in the balcony to free up the floors and carpets for cleaning. There's nothing wrong with it, just a good
No, it seems to clean up. Very good. Like 40 bucks for the whole thing?
Yes, mate.
You sure?
Does it fit you, mate?
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, but make sure don't forget me when you're gonna be.
Thank you. It's good work. It's in good working condition.
Almost finished. Top of the ceiling to, man. Ano to? High polluting job to.
Yeah, boy.
Kulang na lang kaysa may tirahin namin. Okay, cleaning day done. We gotta do pest control, so we gotta leave the house. Wait, I think I gotta close it. Okay.
do.